Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We have a lot of releases this week, which I am really excited about. We have 3 collections, 2 of them being exclusive art. I actually haven't sneaked these by the time that I am doing this video, so I'm really excited about those. I'm going to go ahead and sort everything out because I am ill prepared. I do have one ultimate exclusive and then the other kit has both mini and ultimates. I have 2 monthlies this month with our new minimal monthly format. And then I have some foil releases, a Scribbler sheet, winter multicolor, and Wiggle Wednesday. So let's go through Wiggle Wednesday first. This is available on Wednesday. If you're watching this, it is available today at noon Eastern. So we do have this gorgeous pink sparkle foil. Super pretty. I think this one is one of the most unique ones, but very versatile because, you know, we all love pink. So you have the, actually this look really pretty with the dance collection even. Bring out those pinks. So it has the full boxes, the sampler, the icon, the mini icons, the header overlays, the icons with the date dots, and then the sampler. The sampler is if you buy all 5 of them, you do get the sampler for free. So there is like individual listings, and then the 5th option is all 5 plus freebie, so you do get this whole bundle. So this is available Wednesday at noon Eastern. It is limited. They have been selling out in about a couple of hours, so definitely set your alarms for that one, noon Eastern. The other releases that we have, we'll do all of these first. So I do have winter multicolor. I said I wasn't going to do any more multicolor, which may still be the truth in the future, but so many people have been requesting specific sheets back, so I decided that I would bring back a couple just on a trial basis. I don't even think this is in actually all of them. Oops. So I'm actually missing a sheet of them. I'm missing the glitter headers, so there will be glitter headers as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty sure I did the glitter headers. I'll double check. There will obviously be all the listings will be there on Friday, but these are just kind of, you can see the colorway. I'm pretty sure I did do glitter headers, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure I did though. So I have the coffee cups, the bows, the labels, the squared off labels with the glitter, the laptops, and then the work labels. So those are the ones that I have here, but I'm pretty sure I did the glitter headers unless I decided not to. I never know what I'm thinking. And then I also do have a Scribbler sampler of a little bit of like New Year's Eve vibes with the black and the gold. So that will be available as well. I do have a new monthly format here, and I am super excited about this. I've been wanting to kind of minimalize our monthly, kind of make it a little bit easier and more mainstream. Whenever I see a lot of spreads, I do a lot of research whenever I do changes. A lot of spreads, people are pulling in a lot of other items, whether they are foil icons or character stickers or labels that they keep from kits, icons they keep from other kits, things like that. So I tried to keep this kind of just like with the things that, like with the colors that you need in the kit or with the art in the kit, and then you can pull in other items. So it'll be a lot more affordable as well that way, and then you can either shop your stash or purchase some foil icons or regular icons from other shops to kind of supplement with these. That was my idea here, and I was able to do a lot more labels and things like that. So on the front here you do have the blank bars. So you can either, I'm going to have black and white ones, which will actually end up being more expensive than the foil ones, just because the black and white ones we have to make in shop, and these are way more affordable to get them made elsewhere. So I do have the foiled ones, and I don't know if I'll be keeping the black and white ones in shop. It'll depend on how they sell, but I do have these, so you could stick them over top, so you can make these kits for any month, and they do come in 4-month intervals. So there will be 3 sheets to cover the year, and they will be available in all 3 foils, which is super awesome. I'm considering doing a couple other monthly items in foil just to kind of have a supplement there. So those will be our foil releases for this week. So you have all 3 sheets of those and all of the foil colors. So those are the foil releases, so you can make this for any month. You have a small selection of deco on the bottom. You have a bunch of the fancy labels. I did put like a glitter stroke on them to make them fancier. You have half boxes, kind of quarter boxes, a bunch of do's, and then the movie marquees. And then last, you have the kind of rowed together boxes for the days that aren't in the month, a couple full boxes, some very skinny washi strips, and then a couple more of these quarter boxes. So again, I wanted to keep it really minimal so you could pull in icons to make it work. I have considered if there's enough demand for a like single like multicolor monthly item, but I feel like this is kind of very encompassing, and especially if you pull in a couple of foil icons, which would end up being more affordable. This is like, I think this is gonna be $10.95 and our old kit was $17.95, I think. Was that what it was? It's definitely more affordable this way with the 3 sheets, and then you will get to pick between the sidebar. So this listing will have a drop down, so you could either pick the heart checklist, so it'll call the functional sidebar and the deco sidebar, and it'll come with it for $10.95. So you're also not wasting, like let's say you didn't use this one and you always bought this one. That'll be definitely more affordable than buying this full kit and then buying this separately. And then I will also have these a la carte, so if for some reason you need both of them, or if you want multiples of them for other reasons, you can definitely pick those up. You can even pick up, you know, this one with your kit and then buy this one a la carte if you want to cut these and make them little checklist labels. That would work as well, and these will be the same price as they were before. So that is the first monthly, and it is a birthday theme. That was last year's January mystery, and then I also decided to do this year's October mystery because everyone loved this art so much as a monthly. I think this would be beautiful for January if you want to save it for next year. The kind of luxury with this is you can use it anytime. My camera cut me off, but this will lead to more possibilities, especially with Southern Hemisphere planner peeps who want to use winter kits during their actual winter. You'll be able to put whatever month you want on your monthly. I am doing a poll actually on Instagram. I decided to do it when my camera cut me off, and ask if I should even list the black and white ones. It looks like it's about half and half right now. If it stays to about half and half, I'll list them to see how they sell. But these will be the more affordable option because, like I said, they are manufactured and the other ones are made in-house, which is the more expensive option for sure. So, like I said, trying to streamline this a little bit and offer more kind of monthly size and art-specific items, and then you can pull in icons and things like that just to keep it more affordable for everyone. Then let's go ahead into the kits. I'm going to show you guys the ultimate exclusive first. I did still do like the bows and stuff, which normally I don't do, and there are 2 glitter options. There's a 15mm option, which is going to look so cute with some stars, I think. There is Fashion Girls, and then also bows. So there's lots of options, even though this is an ultimate kit exclusive. This art is exclusive art, so you will not see it anywhere else. And this, is it Accio or Accio? I think it's Accio. Accio Snow. And this is a wizarding winter kit. So really excited about this one. Like I said, this is custom art, and I just think this is so fun. So it's kind of like if you were at Hogwarts in winter. So really love all of the elements here with all of the wintry feels, little SPC sweaters, the Hogwarts Express. I just love this so much. So this is an ultimate kit exclusive. And it does have the little like glitter accents that are gold throughout, very neutral in colors with the black, well, it's like a charcoal, and the grays. You have like a little snowy owl there with a little letter, presumably maybe a Hogwarts letter, acceptance letter. You have your deco over here, so lots of deco, and then you have the newer format with the boxes. Again, a lot of that gold and really pretty bottom washi with the extra full box there. And then the freebie is the SBC new releases, and then the Fangirl Munchkin. There are 2 options for glitter samplers. You have the all gold option, which is great to just have on hand, not even just for this kit, but other kits. And then also the neutral. These are a little bit more blue tone grays, just so you guys know they're not completely neutral. Then you have this same color that matches this color here as an option for the 15mm strip, which I think would be a really cool contrast for this bottom washi in particular. There's also options if you want to add on some Fashion Girls, which are super, super cute, different from this Fashion Girl here. And then there is also the option if you want to add on the bows. These 2 options are available until Sunday evening, and then they are no longer available. But this is, like I said, an ultimate kit exclusive. That'll be available Friday at noon Eastern. I do have another kit, which actually this is an exclusive art. I'm the worst. It's not exclusive art, but it is a photo kit, so I do a lot of work on the photos I use. But it is not obviously exclusive art because I didn't take these pictures, so I don't know why I thought this week was 2 exclusive arts, but a photo kit's cool as well. So you do have the older freebie. This is, I believe, an older kit format. Is it? Yes, so this is an older kit format. I did design this one a while back. So I wanted to do a really blue winter kit. I've been trying to do kind of like seasonal kits and photo kits because I think they're so fun, and I wanted to do one with a lot of blue in it. So blue with like a little bit of brown accents there. So really love this thing. It's gonna be really pretty with silver or gold. Super pretty. This one says Welcome Winter here, which kind of goes to the name. You have a lot of snowy details in here. You have the little things, the headers, and then you have this older format that has the scribblers on the bottom here. You have little snowflakes, which I don't know if you're going to be able to see, cut out of here. Well, you'll see whenever you get it. They're little snowflakes in here. And then you have bows, coffee cups, the little laptops, some flags and things like that. And then you also have the bottom washi, which is pretty minimal, but there will also be a 15mm strip option as well. This would be super cute with any of the overlays, but love that. So super cute. That is the ultimate kit. There is also a mini kit option for this kit. Again, this is called, oopsies, I almost threw that all over the floor. This is called Welcome Winter. I love the blues. Blue is just like, in my head, a quintessential winter color. You have the same freebie, the same full boxes. This is the old mini kit format before the fancy labels came to play. The functional, the deco page, and then you also have the bottom washi. I love this bottom washi. I think it doesn't do it justice on camera, but in person it's just so cool because it's so detailed. Love it. So that is the mini kit. And then, like I said, there is an option for the 15mm washi add-on, and then there are also 2 different glitter samplers. This is a lot more of a champagne foil. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in comparison to the Accio Snow one so you can see the difference. This is a lot more of a yellow gold, and this is more of a champagne. So definitely another one that you might want to pick up if you like collecting all of the glitter samplers. Especially this one is really pretty for future use. And then you also have the option if you want to do the colors that match the kit. So that is everything for the Welcome Winter kit. Again, actually I don't think I mentioned so far in this video that we do have unlimited stock on these like sticker kit releases for the first 3 hours. And then after that, it's just whatever is in stock. Then the last kit here is a really pretty kit called Dance, and I love this. I think it's so pretty. I love the browns in it with the pinks and then the like maroonish color. I did change this to be like a little more maroon and a little less red, and I love it. It has rose gold accents throughout, and I think it's a pretty dainty kit. It reminds me a lot of Avery, and I just think it's super cute. We did call it Dance, and I'm just super psyched about it. So it does have the newer freebie here. This actually has like one cute little change I think you guys might like, but I've been trying it out. I think it's really cute. Then there's the functional page, the half boxes page, the little things page, the headers page, the ombre heart checklist page, and then this page here, instead of having those little dots, I did little check boxes so you can make little checklists with them however you like, and I just think they're super cute. So they're just individually cut little checklists. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. You have the little I Hope You Dance on the extra full box there, which is really cute, and then you have a ton of deco here. Super cute. I love these colors with the rose gold accents. Really minimalistic bottom washi, but again, there is an option if you want to add on the, so you're really cute with hearts with the with the rose gold foil. This would be so fire. I love this. And then doing maybe the wood 15mm washi add-on with that rose gold hearts would be perfection, or even the bows would be really cute. So love this collection. This collection also does come in a mini kit format. The mini kit has the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same functional page, and then this is the mini kit page with the quarter boxes and the fancy labels, and the same final page with the extra full box on there as well. So that is the mini kit, and then this does have 2 glitter header options as well. All of these have 2 glitter header options. So you have the classic colors that match the kit, and then you have this really light rose gold color that I did pull in to the kit. I think it's really pretty against a lot of these like darker wood colors, so I love that. Again, there is the 15mm washi add-on if you want to add that on to get that super cute 15mm washi look that matches perfectly. And then there's also Fashion Girls, so you have the 4 different girls here. Love them, so cute. And then there are also bow add-ons if you want to add those on as well. So that is everything for this week. Again, I have a lot this week. I am really excited about this week's releases. I think they're so pretty. I am so excited to use a lot of these newer formats, and especially the new monthlies. I did do let me go show you guys. I did use all of the stickers from the kit in a spread just to kind of test it out. And let me go ahead and show you guys what that looked like. Do I still have it in here, or did I rip it out? Please don't rip it out. Or did I rip it out? I might have ripped it out. Oh, let me see. Is it in my trash? Okay, just kidding. But where did I find that at? Is it here? Hold on. As I throw my laptop in the trash. Here it is. I ripped it out. So I did go ahead and like mock plan, and I just used the stickers that came in the kit. I didn't even use the sidebar, but you can imagine a sidebar there. But this is what the kit yields. I feel like it still yields a ton. You have a ton of labels. Like, look how many labels you have. So many. And I even doubled up on a lot of them. Like on days, there's like a lot with like multiples on there. So you can see there's tons of labels, but you still get a lot, and you can totally pull in icons and things like that. But I think it's kind of definitely like a streamlined look, and I'm really excited about it, especially the options for being able to use it any month you want, because I know a lot of people, especially for a birthday kit, I've always wanted to do a birthday monthly and a wedding monthly and things like that, but obviously like you'd have to do them for every month, but this definitely alleviates that with doing the stickers for the month. So I hope you guys like this week's releases. These will be available Friday at noon Eastern. Also, don't forget about this week's Wiggle It Wednesday, which is a pink sparkle, which I'm so excited about. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.